Alright everyone, we're going hiking today. No dialysis, great day for hiking. It is 75 degrees out. We got the dogs, we got the kids, and we got the husband. Yeah! Alright everyone, this is the trail we're going on. Palmer Hay Flats. It's not a very long trail. Here's a sign on part of the hill, or the hill that we just came off of. The Palmer Hay Flats State Game Refuge. Pretty cool.
Woo! What up?
Alright, let's check out this cool view. Look at this amazing view, you guys. I love Alaska. Better than sitting on dialysis for 4 hours. Gives me a little bit of a break.
It's a better view in Alaska. There are birds, mountains, even a snow.
Happy Dog. So Holly is the little Corgi Chihuahua, and Lacey is our own unknown dog breed from the shelter. Very skittish dog when we first got her, but she's come out of her shell and she's been happy.
Mom, it's a purple fountain.
What'd you find?
A flower leaf, a purple one.
Yeah, from the flowers. Look at this cool tree that we found on our trail.
Looks like an elbow.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, I do. It kind of looks like.
Happy dogs. Happy dog. Holly. Pretty girl. Holly. Hi, Happy Dog. Hi, Lacey. And the trail keeps going. Love the woods.
Yeah.
Look how cool this is. Say hi, babe.
What up? Yeah.
Say hi, Nova.
Hi.
Say hi again.
Hi.
Look at that. There's a view that we seen earlier. There's one of the dogs. Hi, Lacey. Where's Holly at? Holly's down the trail.
Mom.
There's Holly. You having fun, Holly? All right, we're heading down this hill. Hopefully my leg can handle it. All right, everyone. So we're walking down the trail and we've seen what the heck it is. The dogs will figure it out before we get to it. All right, so this is what it is. Looks like a whole bunch of metal. What do you think it is, babe?
I don't know, like part of a vehicle, maybe some kind of pickup truck at
Mom,
one
it's
time.
jelly left.
What do you think it is, Nova?
Hi, like a cow.
Maybe.
But I don't know how it would have gotten. It would have.
Holly. There's Lacey. Look how beautiful this is. Alaska Style Bridge. Alright everyone, so we're turning back. The trail's getting closed in more and more, and because of wildlife, we don't feel like catching into one or running into one. Let's turn around. There's Holly. There's Lacey.
And a squatch! Oh, Cody. Sorry.
And then there's Nova.
Hi.
Go, Holly. Alright, so Lacey being disabled, we have to carry her across the bridge because she's not very good with things that are not stable or anything, and she's a big old baby otherwise. So, my husband's going to carry her across this time. I carried her the first time, and now it's my husband's turn. They made it. Alright.
All right, Autumn, let's go home. Come on, she's gonna get it. Woo! That one board there is kind of sketchy. It's kind of sketchy. You got it. You got it. Autumn. 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 Yeah.
I think
All right, everyone. So we got this hill to go up. My leg's doing all right. Let's see how it is after this. All right, everyone. Made it up that hill. It was a little tense on my leg, but it did good. And my husband's in the background dancing. All right, everyone. We end our trail. We are heading back home. I hope you guys loved the trip. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell, and let's find me that kidney.